Just open the door. Come bring it in. That's the bag I wanted.
What the?
What's up, Bebop? What's up, Mamacita?
How'd you get in here?
That's the bag I ordered.
Yeah, that's the bag Mommy ordered. Open it.
It's Chowder! Holy crap!
Who is that?
Is it the baby?
Chowder!
Calm down. Don't get him scared.
Hello, baby Chowder.
I thought it was coming Sunday.
Hello, baby.
He got so warm. How did you
Hello,
get here?
baby
How
Chowder.
did you get here?
That's where Daddy went this morning to surprise you guys. What do you think, Em?
Where were you?
You love him?
I
Yeah.
went to get Chowder.
Oh.
Hello, baby Chowder.
Let him out of there. Ooh.
I'm gonna go get him his bed. Daddy.
Calm
Get
down.
him his bed.
Hang on. No, let him. He's been in there. He's been cooped up in there. Hello, buddy.
Hello, baby.
Leave him alone now. Oh, look at him. Oh, yeah, mother.
Emma.
He's your
I saw him in there.
What do you guys think?